This is a brand new 2013 BMW 328. This car has a manual transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.